So I'm going to show you how to use EasyBib to create a citation for the websites you're using for your research project. So my example, I'm doing research on a golden retriever, and I found this at Encyclopedia Britannica. So I want to give credit for the information that I found on this website by creating a citation to put on my works cited page. So I'm going to copy the link, open EasyBib, make sure that we are on the website option with MLA. That's just the type of formatting we're going to use. So one you'll use in high school for English class. So I paste the URL and click on Cite It. So it collected the information really quickly. Sometimes it will say, wait, we're retrieving information. You do have to wait because it's actually actively searching the website for information like the author, the contributors, the publishers, and stuff. So you do have to wait. But this one has found the information. So I'm going to click on Cite This. So here it's found all of the stuff. When you see all the little green check marks, you can continue to the final step. If it says we are gathering information, you just sit and wait. When I continue to the final step, I can edit any information that wasn't found by the citation machine. It's not perfect. It doesn't always find everything. For this example, the article for the golden retrievers was written by the editors of Britannica, so it just says the editors. Usually it will have a first and last name. So I can scroll down. Everything actually was found by the citation machine, so I can create the citation. So this is called a citation right here, and this is what I want to copy and paste into my works cited page. So I can click on Copy, and now it's copied to my clipboard, and I can go into a doc, and I can paste my citation. Now, when you are organizing the works cited page, you want to make sure that you put all of the citations in alphabetical order. So this one is the editors of Encyclopedia Britannica as well as this one. I'm going to put it here because the next thing I can look at for alphabetical order is G and J. So when you have a completed works cited page, you want to have works cited as your title. It needs to be centered. You want to use 12-point font for the entire page, and you want to use the same font. You should have a space between each citation. One problem I'm having, I don't know if you'll be able to figure out, is that I need to indent the website line. It's not letting me do it. It just indents the front. Anyways, if you can figure that out, this line should be indented. But for now, I'm just going to leave it as is. So this is what a completed works cited page looks like. So you're going to practice in the literacy classroom. I've gathered some websites about squirrels, and you are going to create a works cited page for these websites using EasyBib, just like I did. Please submit your sample works cited page to this assignment so that I can see how you have done. Okay, good luck.